Today is the harvest day for my potato plants. A while back, I don't know how many months ago, I planted the potato here using the Back to Eden's method. I learned it from YouTube and I see people just bury the potato, which is what I did, and then I leave it alone and it grow on its own. I never really water it or done anything to it. And let's see what we get now. So I see that the leaf is turning yellow. The leaves are turning yellow, so I figure they are ready. So I'm gonna harvest them now. You see right here, some of the potato really big, and it looks like it's ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out this thing, the plant, and see what we get. Oh wow, look at this. You see this? Nice looking potatoes. This one is a little bit green because it was exposed with the sun and all that. Wow, they look really big. Wow. Oh my god. Humongous. Oh my god. It's awesome.